Alright, welcome back. So today I'm doing an oil change on this 2025 Kia Sorento. So I want to show you the oil that they give me to use. So it's a Mobile 1 020 I'm using. This is the oil filter right here. Take a look on it, guys. Come with this seal and drain plug. Alright, let me see. That's the filter number LL10514. So I'm gonna go on here now, guys, and see what is going on. It's my first time doing this one, guys, since I got it. So check in here. I noticed you got some 10 bolts. So that this symbolizes the oil. So that's the oil area. So I'm gonna remove this cover, guys. There are some clips also, so I'm gonna remove the clips and the screws. So I guess you got one screw there, 2, 3, 4, and 2 clips. So let me remove the clip. Got a clip tool right here, guys. I'm gonna try to see if I can use this one. Alright, there you go. Remove it so easy. There you go. So you can get these at AutoZone or Amazon, whichever you choose. So I'm gonna remove the 10 bolts now, guys. Oh, let's tighten. This cover. Oh, I got another clip to the back. And there you go. So these are the screws and clips that I remove. Alright, there you go, guys. So let me shine my flashlight and see what is going on. Alright, so that's the drain plug around here to the back. That's it right there, guys. So that seems like it's a 17. Let me see. It's a 17 socket or 18. Let's see. Okay, so it's a 17 socket, guys. You can see 17. I'm gonna pop those bolts right there. Get it loose. Alright. Show some of the drain, the oil pan to catch the oil. Let me get the rag. So this is what the drain plug look like, guys. That's it. I'll change this crush washer on it. Even though this one seems good, I don't think I have to change this one. So I'm gonna leave it there. And this is where the filter at. That's it, guys. I'm gonna get the tool to remove this filter. So this is the drain plug right here. So drain the oil from there, guys, and then remove the filter. Alright guys, so to remove the oil filter, I'm gonna use a 27 socket. You can see right there guys, 27. Use this angle to pull it. Alright, so for the drain plug, I use where it is, so I can show you guys. It's a bit blurry under here, dark. But the CRV 516 Allen key guys I use to remove the drain plug. As you can see right there, fit. So I'm waiting on the oil to finish drain off. Then I'll put back the bung. Then drain the oil from the filter from here guys. Get the filter off, filter out, and cover off. Put the new filter, lock it back. Also got a new seal there for it guys, right there. So stay tuned. Alright, so now I'm putting in back the bung guys. It's fully drained off. Get back the socket and the angle. So you don't want to over tighten it and damage the threading inside guys. So as soon as it gets a bit tight, you're pushing it a little more, and that's it guys. Do not over tighten it and damage the threading. Alright, so I'm going to remove the drain plug for the filter now and let it drain off. Alright, so I got this oil pan from AutoZone guys, so you can check there to get yours. You can carry it in and get a recycle done. What happened to this fly? That's it, almost drained off. There's this little fly keep coming around disturbing my hair. Alright, so now it's chipping, so I'm gonna put back the new oil plug. This is the new one that comes in the filter box. So now I can take the filter off without making a spill on the ground. So that's it. So let me take the filter off now. So this is this old filter. Put the new one in there now. Alright guys, so to take the new seal, put the new seal in, I use long nose pliers to hold this little lip right here and pull it up. Which I already did right here. Let's see if I can get it out. Just like that guys. Make sure it sit properly in the groove. And so you may have to use a flat pine screwdriver or something to take your own time and slide it down, but I think it should be okay right there. Seems flush. So I'm gonna put it back on the car now with the new filter. this is a new one. So put it in like this up, guys, just like this, and fit it back to the car. Alright guys, so it's plastic, they don't want to over tighten it and break it off, guys, so take your time and pull on it a little bit. So I feel it stop, you leave it there, guys. Do not try to over tighten it and break it off, guys. It's plastic. So that's it. So I'm gonna put the cover on, put the oil in, guys. So that's it for now. So if you find this video useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.